Namaskar, welcome to Government e-Marketplace. In this video, we will explain the prerequisites for registration and important instructions to be followed for registering on GEM. The prerequisites for primary user registration are Aadhaar number or virtual ID of the person to be registered as a primary user, mobile number which is linked with Aadhaar number or virtual ID of the primary user while registering, and OTP will be received in the same mobile number. Please note that Aadhaar verification is only for identification purpose of the user. GOV or NIC or GemBuy.in email ID is required. Email domain IDs of CPSUs, autonomous bodies, nationalized bank, etc. are also acceptable. Verifying authority details such as name, mobile number, and email ID ending with gov.in or nic.in or gembuy.in or drdo.in or nluo.ac.in or nit.gsr.ac.in needs to be provided. As primary user needs to create the secondary users, the official mail ID of the users is required. Please note, for secondary users also, only GOV or NIC or gembuy.in or drdo.in mail ID is mandatory. If primary user and secondary user don't have GOV or NIC mail ID, an officer of the rank equivalent to Deputy Secretary rank may send a request to GEM to get gembuy.in mail IDs for primary as well as secondary users. Let us understand the roles a particular user may play on GEM for his or her organization. Primary user may play the role of a consignee as well. Buyer and consignee role can be played by a single user or can be allocated to two different users. Any number of buyer or consignee can be created for an organization. Payment authority of the organization will be decided based on the type of payment mode. If payment mode is PFMS, payment authority will be DDO, and for payment modes like internet banking, CGDA, etc., payment authority will be PAO. Please note that the user role has to be aligned as per the matrix and cannot be clubbed as per choice. For example, primary user cannot be the payment authority for the organization.